Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Roku channel on your Firestick using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 2. Go to the search icon and type the Roku channel in the search bar. Step 3. Select the Roku channel app from the search results and click download or get to install it on your Firestick. Step 4. Once installed, open the Roku channel app from your Apps and Channels section. Step 5. You will be prompted with an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Step 6. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit therakuchannel.roku.com. Activate. Step 7. Log into your Roku account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the provided field on the website. Step 9. Click Submit or Activate to link your device. Step 10. Return to your Firestick and wait for the app to refresh automatically. Step 11. Once activated, you can browse and stream free movies, TV shows, and live content through the Roku channel on your Firestick. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.